Hi, this is Mike, Family DIY TV, and today I'm excited to bring you another knife. So this knife was sent to me by CIVIVI. This is the Elemental Lock 2. And I've been carrying this for a few weeks and I'm actually very impressed. So before we get into the blade, let's just kind of look at the outside and how they kind of put this thing together. It's got the G10 feel on the outside, so it's really nice on your hands. You get a really good grip with it. It's got a nice metal kind of brushed trim around the entire knife. Now, the reason why that's nice and the reason why I like that is because this is for utility. If you needed to break something, you need to pry something open, having that metal edge is really nice. It's also good for durability, okay? I really don't like plastic knives. It's got a spot for a lanyard, so you can put like a string on it. This also has a deep carry clip, which is really nice. Deep carry clip itself, the way that they attach it, it's actually recessed in there, so it won't catch on your pants or anything like that. So that's really nice. They seem to pay a lot of attention to detail on this knife. See the C, it's got kind of like a little company logo there, so it's really nice. Cut down on weight on the inside. I'm not sure if you can see it. They actually kind of cut out the inside so that, you know, it makes it a little bit lighter. The centering of the blade is perfect. So now let's open it. It's got a flipper, so you see this is how you open it. Flips open, really nice, very well balanced. It's about a 3-inch blade, okay? Overall, I think it's around 7 inches. Extremely sharp, basically razor sharp. This thing came out of the box and it's been sharp for weeks now. I haven't had an issue with it keeping an edge. Now, let's talk about the blade steel. So this is Nitro-V steel. This is their own steel, okay? So basically what this is, it's like D2, which is kind of like, I would say, the gold standard for knives. Like anything mid like 50 to 100 and something dollar knives are gonna have D2 steel, most likely. This is like D2, except it's a little bit better. It actually is full stainless steel, so it will never rust. If you have a D2 knife and you sharpen it, scratch it, you'll notice it will rust if you actually let it. It's basically like D2, but better. Now to close this knife, that's why it's called the Elemental Lock 2. It has this little button. You click the button and it will close, okay? Now you can see it's super smooth. It opens up very well and it drops very well. It's because it has sealed ceramic ball bearings. So this is gonna last forever pretty much. And you can see as I use it, the looser it kind of gets. And you know, it's a pretty nice action. You kind of got to get used to the opening and closing. But I really like this knife. I'm Mike, Family DIY TV. If you want to pick this up, check the description down below. Check out www.familydiytv.com. That's my new website. I really appreciate if you go there, maybe sign up for notifications. I won't spam you. I'm Mike, give me a like, and I'm out.